Hello, I'm audible. Please confirm in the chat. Guys, I am audible or not? I'm audible or not? Guys, please confirm. Okay, I think I am audible, so I think I can start right now. So, in this live stream, we are going to solve a task known as mobile price classification. So, in this data set, you can see over there. Now, well, classification is simply means we are going to predict a range, price range. Like you can say like 50 to 60,000. It is a type of range for someone, and 30 to 20,000. It is also a type of range. Now, in this, after downloading the data set, you can see over there we have two files, test and train. Now, what you can do, go into your Jupyter notebook and try to import it, like with the help of pandas. Import your numpy as np. So first of all, we have to import our train data, right? So let's see pd.read underscore csv your train dot csv. Okay, so it should be read, and you can see over there it is our data set. Now in this data set we have 21 number of columns and 2000 of rows, and here it is our label column price range. Now first of all we have to see price range, price underscore range, how many price underscore range, your unique values, right, with the help of unique function. Now here you can see we have four ranges, 1 2 3 4. So first of all, after that we can see, okay, is there any object column or not. So to see the data types, you can see over there with the help of info. So we don't have any categorical column over there. It means it is already clean data. Now for a EDA, you have to do it EDA and post your link of your Jupyter notebook in the comment section. I will try to take it a look, and whose EDA will be really better, I will make a live session on that. Now what you can do over there, you can select with the help of most important features inside our data set. Now anyone who can tell me how we can select the best column inside that, how you can decide your best columns. How you can select your best columns? It is your classification problem, right? So we can select your best columns. You can see with the help of extra tree regressor. Not regressor, it is classifier because it is a classification problem. So to import that, you can just write over there from sklearn.ensemble import extra tree regress extra trees classifier. Now after that you have to just import your, or you can see you have to just initialize your model over there. Extra tree classifier, and after that you can fit your data. Now before fitting your data you have to separate your x and y. Now for x and y, what you can do right now, for x you can just write df.drop. Here you can give your columns name, column, column name is your price range. Let's go range in your y, and you can take df dot, or you can say df dot price underscore range. Now here it is your x and y. Let's see what is x. So from the data set we have removed our price column over there. Inside our y we have our price ranges. Now what you can do, you can directly fit your model over there with the help of x and y. Okay, let me see what is the issue. Okay, now you can select with the help of feature importance with the help of these with the help of extra tree classifier. Now you can just print over there your model dot feature importance. Now these are the importance of your features. Till that, if you have any query, by correlation, yes, you can do it. Till that, any query. These are the features of your. These are the importance of your features. Now, what you can do, you can plot it with the help of bar graph as well. Now, to plot that, let me import your matplotlib. Matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Now, after that, what you can do, you can just write over there feature importance. You have to make a series over there, pd dot series. Inside that, just pass your feature importance. You have to convert your feature importance these values in your series, and your indexes will be your columns, your column name x dot columns. After that, just simple write feature importance dot n largest. Okay, anyone can tell me what do you mean by n largest and why 6? What it will try to show over. And your bar h simply means horizontal bar. Now, what do you mean by n largest? That's my question. Now n largest simply means show me the highest 6 columns which have highest feature importance. So for that, what you can do, you can just write over there plt dot show. Okay, let me see what is the issue. Okay, it should be pd dot series over there, featured model dot feature importance we have, index we have. What is the issue? Okay, it should be kind, I think. Now you can see it is your feature importance with the help of bar graph, and you can say okay, RAM have high feature importance, so we cannot delete that column. So this is the advantage in our with the help of extra T classification. Now let's just split your dataset into your training and testing with the help of sklearn dot model underscore selection. Import your train test split. Now just write xtrain x test y train and your y test, and initialize your class over there train test split and pass your x and y. After that, test size I'm giving just like 0.3 means 30% I want my size. 30% I want, and random state will be 0. Now okay, so our data set is splitted in our training and testing data set. So we can apply XRT regression in any classification algorithm problem. Okay, for now let's see over there. It is a classification problem, right? You can, okay, we have tried many times random forest classification, or you can say random forest regression problem. For now I want to import XGBoost, and in your XGBoost you can use XGB classifier and just initialize your model over there. Can anyone tell me what in which in the XGBoost what type of base model we have? Tell me what is the base model in our XGBoost? Anyone? I am asking in the XGBoost what is our base model? It is a type of boosting techniques, right? So in our XGBoost we always internally it will use our decision trees. Remember one thing. So in our decision tree we never do scaling. It is not required over there. That's why I'm not doing over there standard scaling or normalizing. And you can just fit your data. Now it will show some warnings, but yeah, that is fine. And you can just predict over there. Now you can say prediction model dot predict and your test data. Now here it is your predictions. Now can anyone tell me how which type of metrics we can use to see the accuracy of our classification problem? Guys, tell me what are the evaluation metrics for our classification problem? Accuracy. First thing is that accuracy. Then we have confusion metrics, right? F1 score. So let's import our first of all accuracy, right? For that we have to just write sklearn dot metrics import accuracy score. Okay. Now just write print your accuracy score. Inside that pass your y test and your predictions. It is your predictions. Now you can see over there we are getting 1. It means little bit of overfitted model, right? Now for that what you can do, let me see what is the issue with that. Now for that you can use another type of models over there, like random forest classification. You can use. Let me execute it again because I have already solved this. Okay, now also let's try with random forest. Ensemble import random forest classifier and just initialize your model one. Let's write again on random forest classification model one dot fit x train y train. Now let's write your predictions, and you can use model one dot predict your x test. Okay, I think we have used over there x test, right? Yes. Okay, let's see now what will be the accuracy score of that. Let's print this, right? And over there predict. Now you can see it is giving us 86% of accuracy. It means random forest classification is not giving us a overfitted model, right? Now what we can do, you can check your confusion matrix as well. Now let's see what is the confusion matrix. Okay, so from sklearn dot matrix import your confusion matrix. Confusion matrix. After that, just print your confusion matrix over there. Oops. And pass your white test and your predictions. Your predict. Now, tell me why we have these 16 values. Please write in the chat. Why we have these 16 values, guys? My question is very simple. That why we have 16 values. Okay. So is there any answer or not? Okay, so my answer is that try to see in your label column, your target column, how many values you have. Four values we have, right? So for it will try to make a matrix of 4 cross 4. In a binary classification, it will try to give 2 cross 2. That's why 4 cross 4 is 16. This is the reason that we got 16 values over there. Now what you can do, let's print our actual values and your prediction values. Now for that, what you can do right now, just print your actual values, you can just write over there y underscore test dot values. Let's write first 25 values and just copy it and paste it over there, your prediction values, whatever we have predicted with the help of random forest classifier. Just write over there predict. Okay, this not having any values. Sorry. Okay. Now try to see over there. Your fourth, your actual value was your actual prediction was 2, but here it is 1. So this is how we can represent our actual and prediction values. Okay guys, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so after that, what you can do right now, let's print our one more thing that we can do right now. We have our test data as well. So let's import our test data as well, right? With the help of just suppose test over there and pd.read underscore csv and pass your test csv. Okay, so it should be read and see over there read. So what is your test data? So it is your test data, right? So tell me what type of columns that we need to remove it from with the help of this. What type of columns we need to remove? Anyone? First of all, try to see over there ID. We don't need this type of values or we don't need this column in our data. So let's try to remove it. So df or you can say train dot drop pass your columns. Which columns? ID column, right? And just write in place equals to true. It should be true. Okay, it should be test. Sorry. Now you can see it is your test data. Now what you can do, you can just pass your inside your model as well, right? So let's see what was the object of our model. So object was model 1, right? And you can just write test predict model 1 dot predict your test data as well with the help of test. Now you can to submit your data, what you can do, you can just convert your test predict into your data frame, then try to convert into your CSV file, right? Okay, so suppose de pd dot data frame pass your test predict. It is your de, and what you can do right now, de dot to underscore csv and your file name submission. Okay, give me 1 minute. What is the issue? de dot to underscore csv and pass your submission dot csv. Here it will be your file over there. So in your directory you can see over there your submission file is there. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Okay, so the code will be given in the description. Try to share this video with everyone. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.